Welcome to this vlog. Currently, I have no school, so I have a lot of time to work on my game. I want to do several things this week, but first I want to add the smoke particle effect to the yellow bullet, which just makes it look a lot nicer. And here it is in game. Then I want to add player knockback. Yeah, the player does not have knockback currently. I started having problems with it because for some reason the player was not receiving damage after one hit. This is giving me too much pain, so to relieve some stress, I'm going to go for a walk. Alright, so I'm back from the walk. It's not working. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna work on something else right now. After that, I want to make a new enemy. So, introducing brown slime. This slime will shoot a bullet when you will get too close to him and also come towards you and hurt you. So first I made the slime, made a red bullet and made the logic for spawning the bullet, and it works. For some reason that gave me an idea on how to fix the knockback bug, and for some reason the code that I hacked together works. The last thing I want to do today is implement some feedback when the player gets hurt. The player has invincibility, but that is not really visible, so I added a flash effect to the player. That's it for today. I'm gonna catch some Z's now. Saturday, and I want to do several things today. I made a trailer board for everything I want to do today. First, I want to make a hit marker for when the enemy takes damage that displays how much damage he takes. So let's get to work. Alright, so it's 1 PM right now and I started at 11 AM. I don't know why it took me a long time, but it works. Now I'm gonna make a Discord server for you guys, cause why not? Just check it out, send memes and stuff. And yeah, enjoy. Now I wanna create the cooldown for dashing. Currently you can just dash infinitely, which does not make sense. Alright, so I made a dash cooldown. Add these bubbles. And now if you dash 3 times, your dash counter runs out, and after like 5 seconds, your dash counter refills. Now I'm gonna start working on the pause menu. Alright, so it's 4 PM right now, and if I click escape, the pause menu shows up. I can cycle through these buttons, and if I click the resume button, the game resumes. If I click the exit button, the game exits. Next I want to make a day-night cycle and lighting system. This can be done using a canvas modulated node in Godot, and I actually implemented this in the previous version of this game, and it works. The speed is a little too fast, but that's just for testing purposes. Alright, so I'm gonna go get some cycling done and come back to work on the game. Alright, so I just got back and now I'm gonna work on a player stat system, which will help me when I want to implement potion effects later on. For now, I have made a speed stat and a damage multiplier. I can easily access these stats from any script to change these in-game. Anyway, it's getting late now, so I'm gonna go and sleep. It's Sunday and I'm going to set up a Trello board for all the things that I want to do today. Alright, so I set up a Trello board and here are the things. Here you can see the list of things that I want to do today, sorted by priority. First I'm going to make some interior tiles for the game. Okay, so I'm done with the interior tiles. The collision is not really set up yet, but I want to work on something else now. So I'm gonna work on scene switching. Alright, so I have implemented scene switching, and if I fire up the game and press B, it should switch from the outdoor scene to the indoor scene. Now I'm gonna get started with the death animation of the player. Yeah, this took me some time, but I drew the death animation, and if I run the game now and take damage, it should work. So it's 5:40 PM right now. I just found out I have to go somewhere, so if I have time, I will continue working later. Alright, so I just got back. It's 11 PM right now, and I only have time to work on one feature, which is a satisfying bush and crate. These will break when they are hit. I started drawing the bush, but then I was like, no, this isn't working, so I went to make a larger bush, but accidentally made this instead. I'm just gonna make the crate now. So I made the crate and I'm gonna make it destructible tomorrow. Good night. It's Monday and I spent all morning making the satisfying crate breaking and it works and it's really satisfying. Yeah, so I proceeded to procrastinate all day, but I made the school diamond wipe effect to switch scenes. I will be more productive tomorrow. It's Tuesday, school starts tomorrow, so I want to work on some more enemies now, like a big slime and the goblin from the previous game. I want to create a big brown slime which spawns 8 bullets in a circle pattern, but I would need a pattern spawn system for that. I started working on it, got nowhere, and it's 4:19 pm right now. I have to study since school starts tomorrow. Alright, so I found this plugin called Bullet Up Health, which will make making bullet health patterns easy. I'm having trouble with this plugin right now, so I'm gonna ask a question in the Discord server, and when I come back from school tomorrow, I will check it out. Tomorrow, I'm also gonna implement the goblin. It's 2 p.m. on Wednesday. I just came back from school and now I'm gonna make a goblin. Using my new system for creating enemies, making the goblin was super easy. One of the reasons why I started over on this game was the old enemy script has 124 lines, whereas the new enemy script only has, well, 99 lines, but it contains more logic than the old enemy script and is more reusable. Anyway, here is the goblin in the game, and the goblin is a melee enemy and will stab you. Now I'm gonna get working on the big brown slime. The issue with the plugin is solved, so yeah, that's nice. The big brown slime is done and he will shoot bullets in a pattern. Now it's time for the big pink slime. The big pink slime is just like the small pink slime, but it's bigger, has more speed and does more damage. So the big pink slime is done. I'm just gonna go do some homework now and then sleep. Thursday and I want to spend today editing this devlog together and get it out to you guys. If you liked this video, drop a like, dislike if you don't, and please subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thanks for watching.